Fire hoses at full force in Cleveland early this morning. 3 vans engulfed in flames at Dimension Auto Sales at East 23rd and Superior.
Why? Well, I mean, what? For what reason?
Dimension Auto Sales owner Kevin Cottom left with the charred remains. His business nearly caught on fire. The side of the building singed. Arson investigators called to the scene.
This is my livelihood. And a lot of other people that work here, that's their livelihood. Why are you doing this?
Just last week on May 23rd, the target was cars. Several vehicles set on fire. And then on May 24th, it was dumpsters at 3 separate locations.
The potential for that dumpster to be very hazardous is severe.
The string of incidents have the Cleveland Fire Department on high alert. 11 fires within a mile radius within the past 7 days, from East 17th to East 24th at Payne, St. Clair, and Superior.
You're putting yourself at jeopardy, you're putting possible lives at jeopardy, you're destroying potentially thousands of dollars worth of property, and it is a felony.
Investigators still trying to determine how these fires got started.
Try to track down whoever is doing something like this and to bring them to justice so that we won't have our residents worrying about situations like this.
And Cleveland business owners on the city's Near East Side left to wonder who is responsible and just how safe is their property.
I'm glad they got it out. You know, I'm just glad that somebody called it in, they got here and they got it out. Who knows what they're going to start next, what they're going to do next.